Hello everybody, this is Jacob at Nexus, and I'm here at 80 Burnside Avenue, Unit 3L, located in Woonsocket, Rhode Island. This is a third floor, one bedroom, one bathroom unit. Houses a fresh coat of paint throughout, newer tile flooring, and brand new stainless steel kitchen appliances. We're going to be getting our walkthrough right in the centralized main room here. It can be used in a multitude of ways, of course. You could use it as a living area or perhaps a dining room. Completely dependent on what you need. You do, of course, have the entryway to your unit housed in here, along with an additional closet space for any extra storage needed. The tile flooring that you see in here, it's a newer tile flooring, and it does continue out into the bedroom, bathroom, and kitchen area. Fresh coat of paint too, housed throughout the unit. Fantastic. All right, so let's go ahead and look at that kitchen area. So it's a galley kitchen area. You do have plenty of cabinets around the sink for lots of storage. Also have a wide open countertop with some outlets for plugins. And the single bin stainless steel sink is housed over here as well. Of course, if you flip onto the other side, you have the new stainless steel kitchen appliances. This includes the brand new large size stainless steel refrigerator. And you also have the brand new stainless steel 4-burner gas stove and oven, along with the newer stainless steel exhaust fan above. Very nice. All right, let's look at that bedroom. Bedroom's got a nice wide open layout for plenty of space for any kind of bed set you'd like to have. Could definitely fit any size. You have some beautiful views of Woonsocket through these windows. And again, same tile flooring and same fresh paint you saw before. A couple of outlets for any electronics, and an additional closet space for even more storage in this bedroom. Perfect. All right, last but not least, we're gonna look at the bathroom. So the bathroom's a little bit on the smaller side, but of course, does house your necessities. You have your small sink area over here with the cabinet underneath for some storage, along with the mirror vanity up above. And you also have, right next to that, the full tub and shower, all hooked up and ready to go. Perfect. So once again, this is 80 Burnside Avenue, Unit 3L in Woonsocket, Rhode Island. Before I go, though, I'd like to remind everybody, as always, to please subscribe to our YouTube channel so you can keep up to date with all the listings that we have published on our website. They'll be here as well. And we'll also keep up to date with any kind of real estate or property management information will be published here as well. Thank you very much.